Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am joining in a challenge put out by J Dolls UK, Gainer's Happy Place, and Playful Reborns for flowers. I thought it was flower dress. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. This is what I did. These ladies have been putting out challenges for smart dolls, and anybody can join in with any doll is the way I understood it. And you don't have to have a smart doll. I got this girl free. She came with an outfit, shoes, and a wig, and I really like her. I really like her. $30. Actually, it was less than $30, but with tax and shipping, which is a joke, on AliExpress, I got her cheap. And if you don't have a smart doll, but you'd like a 1/3 doll, great place to look. This dress is on my Pear Girl, an 18-inch cheap dress I bought on eBay years ago, probably for less than $1. I used to get these when I used to do the beginner sewers. We used to take stuff like this and change it. Well, it doesn't matter what we did a lot of things. Anyway, I had one and I wanted to see how it fit my Pear Girl. Do I like it? Not so much. And then I made this dress for Onward, and if you look at it, the stars are flowers. I love this 4th of July print, patriotic 4th of July. And I made this with a free pattern. That's what my hair used to look like when I was young. I used a free pattern on the internet. I think I used, what is it called? Misty Images, but I'm not sure if that's the one I used. If you just type in free BJD halter dress, you'll get a few come up. And then I made another one, and I hope you get a laugh out of this. I took my zombie, Anomaly, and you know what, I'm gonna pull this off, sure. I shouldn't have used blue for the lace and the shoe, but I did. And I made her a little summer dress, and look what we did to it. We took it out, I cut it up and sandpapered. Thank you, Beth Ramsden, for the sandpaper tip. I cut this and then I rubbed sandpaper across it to distress it. I did half a bow, cut it, sandpapered it. I just had fun with this dress. I think it's cute, little zombie-like. It's funny because when I started this, I had one idea, and then I got another idea, and then I got it made, and it was like, it just kind of happened. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go visit all of the channels that are doing flowers or flower dress today. And if you have a flower video today, would you let me know in my comments? I'd really like to see them all. Thank you especially to J Dolls UK, Playful Reborn, and Gainer's Happy Place. You'll see their names in my title. You can click right on and go see what they're showing today. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.